Many video editors export their video in MOV format to preserve the best and possible quality, then convert to MP4 for upload or sharing. In this video, I'm going to teach you or show you how you convert your MOV video format to MP4 using HandBrake. Yes, HandBrake is a software, very simple software and free software in which you can convert your MOV video format to MP4. And the best part of it is that it also reduces the video size. Yes, if your video size is in 1 GB, it's going to reduce it to a megabyte. Very easy. It's going to reduce the file size so that it should not be so heavy, and it's going to maintain your video quality. Without taking much time, let's dive into the video, show you how you can do that in a very simple steps. Don't forget to give a like to this video. This is NDENE, and make sure you follow this channel or you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and leave in your comment. Keep this video engaging so that algorithm can push this to others and find it very helpful. Now let's dive into the video. First thing first, head into your Chrome browser. When you head into your Chrome browser, you type for HandBrake to search for it. HandBrake download, yes. You search for it and then let's wait. Yes, this is it. This is the one we are going for, the first one here. You click on it and then it's going to open. Now you are going to choose how you want to download it. You understand? You choose how you want to download it depending on the kind of system or laptop you are using currently. And if you see the one that fits to yours, and then you click on it and then it's going to download. It's going to show up right here. See, I've already downloaded mine and then already installed into my system. So after you've successfully downloaded and installed it to your system, you now come to your desktop. Yes, your home desktop. This is it. This is it. This is the one. This is it. This is how it looks like. This is how you're going to see it. You double click to open. You can upload your file at this junction, or you come to your desktop and then find in that file you want to use that video. Let me make use of this as a sample. You upload it. So now let's wait for it. Now it is now uploaded. It's now uploaded. So what we are going to do is this. There are many icons, many settings in which you can play around with, just to work with or make some settings done on this very video. But because we have a target, we want to just go on conversion, to convert. Very simple. Some of the settings here has been done by default, in which we are going to work with. Now let's come down here where it is written preset. Here, just make sure you observe my cursor and then you click on it. By default, it is already at the right settings in which we want, but in case yours is not showing this, if you installed it, you make sure you find it at the top. This is the third option here, very fast, 1080p 30 yes, 1080p 30. You click on it. Yes, so this is the preset in which we want to work with. And then format, the format, make sure it's on MP4. Make sure it's on MP4. But eventually, if it is not on MP4, you are the one that is going to choose it to convert it to that aspect. If you want to convert it to MKV or WebM, depend on your choice. But we want to convert it to MP4, so we will allow it that way. You understand? If you come to filters, you can just walk around, play around with this. Come to dimension, just to make some settings for the video. You want to rotate it. You want to rotate the video to vertical or horizontal, to flip it, or you can make the settings here. But because you've edited your video, well edited, what you want to do just to convert it to MP4. This is what we need. Now you can also choose where you want to save your file to. You come to browse. When you come to browse, it will not take you to where your files or your folders are, and then you are going to choose the folder in which you want to save this video to. You understand? You are going to choose it where you want to save your video to. You are going to choose it, or you come to where it is written tools and then come to preferences. When you come to preferences, I've already set mine. should, in case, now let's come to output files. These output files means how you want it to save automatically. When you choose source path, yes, when you click on source path or source folder name, now this source path means where the original video is, that is where it's going to save. It's going to save in that very file folder. Are you getting it? That is what it means. So anytime you want to convert, you just click on that. It's going to convert this video and then save directly to where the original video is. You're going to find it or see it side by side. After all these settings is being done, all and set, then you will now click on start encode. When you click on start encode, observe below here, you're going to see it's going to show preparing for to encode. It's preparing to encode. Now it's going to take a while depending on the length of the video. Are you getting it? Depending on the length of the video. And also when you are doing this, just to enable it to work more faster, don't engage your laptop or system in doing other things. You understand? Just allow it this way, allow it in this way. There are many features in which you can explore. Yes, many features in which you can explore. You can also add queue. You can import a whole folder of a video, and then you press or add to queue is going to have it, and then the encoding will be done one after the other at a time. So now I've already encoded this, converted it already. Now let me show you something. Now let me go to my desktop and then show you the video in which I converted to MP4. Now let me show you. Just pay close attention to the cursor. See this lesson 2, this video lesson 2. Now if you look at the video type, is MOV file, and the size is 1 GB, and the length of the video is 11 minutes and 48 seconds. So this is the video exported in MOV file format, and this is the size. So now let's view the converted one. Let's see the details of it, the properties. Now you see, this is the MP4 file. I've converted it using HandBrake. This is the converted version. If you take a look at the size, it's 68 megabyte point 7. Are you seeing it? It has reduced the size and the video quality remains the same. It didn't change anything. So this is the method in which you will use. So do well to try this, and then leave it in your comments if this really works for you. Leave in your comment after you try it. Do you know about HandBrake before, or this is your first time hearing about it? Give it a try and then leave in your comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.